All right, so it has literally been 13 years since I purchased a iPad for personal or business use. Now I purchased pretty much every iteration of the iPad since probably the iPad Mini. Like my wife has like the Pro and she has a bunch for work. We probably have about 4 iPads in the household, and I don't use any of them. I haven't touched them unless she needs help with something, which is not too often. But guess why I will be purchasing a iPad in the next upcoming week and a half, if not this weekend. Well, probably need to look at WWDC and see what they're going to announce in case they announce something new. But I'm purchasing it because, yeah, guess what's happening? Final Cut Pro, right? And Logic Pro is going to be on the iPad. What does this mean? Man, I can edit professional video, edit professional audio on the go with the apps that I know and love. So I can finally answer the question that I have been asked for years and have to give a different answer. So the question is, hey Vishon, if I'm completely blind and I have an iPhone, why would I get the iPad? And I say, you know what? For real, I mean, honestly, I've not had an iPad, the use of one, used one for 13 years. It's like, it's no reason, in my opinion, right? Unless you just want a separate device and separate yourself from your phone. But I can just turn on Do Not Disturb and just, have the discipline not to answer or talk to someone or whatever. But now that Logic Pro and Final Cut Pro is going to be on the iPad May 23rd, $4.99 per month per app, or you can purchase it by the year. Guess who's doing it? Guess who's Bazak? Yep, me, baby. So, if you use any of those two products and you are blind, then yeah, get it. Otherwise, stick with your iPhone. All right, so you guys know what it is, man. Let's change the world. Let's do something different, like move Final Cut and Logic to the iPad. Oh, hold on. And M1 Mac for Final Cut makes sense, right? You need all of that extra to do the extra, and you need like a fairly fast iPad for the Logic stuff. So I'm just getting the fastest they got. The smallest, fastest one that they have. Oh, I don't even know what the iPad lineup is. Do they have a smaller Pro? All right, and my phone's talking, so it's time for me to go. So let's change the world together.